Celestron, the world's leading designer and manufacturer of telescopes, sport optics, and microscopes, is opening up a new frontier of exploration with our breakthrough LCD digital microscope. This innovative product combines the advanced features of a professional-grade microscope with the ease of a point-and-shoot camera. It is an ideal tool for up-close examination of everything from coins, stamps, and other common objects to specimen slides of yeasts, molds, bacteria, and insects. LCD digital microscope is a unique device that replaces the traditional microscope eyepiece with a high-resolution 3.5-inch LCD display. This bright screen allows for clear viewing of microscopic worlds by individuals and groups alike. LCD digital microscope's 3 objective lenses provide 4 times, 10 times, and 40 times optical magnification levels. This, combined with 4x digital zoom, allows you to view objects at up to 1,600 times their original size. LCD digital microscope is equipped with top and bottom LED illumination, brightness controls, and a 6-position color filter wheel that let you get a bright and clear view of your specimen in any lighting conditions. Once you've set up a perfect shot, LCD digital microscope's built-in 2-megapixel digital camera will help you take a vibrant, high-resolution photo of what you see on the screen. When picture is just not enough, LCD digital microscope allows you to record videos of the microscopic action. Built-in 512 megabyte memory provides ample storage for your pictures and videos. The SD card slot allows you to expand the storage capacity with optional memory cards. LCD digital microscope comes with a USB cable that allows for plug-and-play transfer of images and videos to your personal computer. To get you started, Celestron's LCD digital microscope comes with 5 prepared slides of various microscopic specimens. Safely store and transport your LCD digital microscope and accessories in this padded storage case, provided free with your microscope. With a 2-year warranty, Celestron's LCD digital microscope is an affordable and user-friendly device that gives your family a unique look at the fascinating universe of unseen microscopic worlds.